another video here on my channel. And if this is your first time watching one of my videos, then hello, my name is Cherie Elise. Thank you for clicking on this video. Let's hop in straight into this Boxycharm for February. If you are not familiar with Boxycharm, I will have a brief description down below in the description box, as well as the links to their website. So you can just check out more about the prices and get an idea of what the previous boxes have looked like in the past. The seal is still on there. Let's break it. Oh, I see something I got that I didn't even want. This is a really beautiful theme card, and the theme is a door. So it has a door written all over it. And I'm gonna open it up, and as always, there's brief descriptions and the retail value as well. I have variation 28. Of course, the box is still pink in the inside. And then here's just a little brief peek. If you are a current member, you know, you didn't just join. If you've been a current member, you have the choice of picking one product in your box for sure that you want to be in your box. And this is the product that I chose right here. This is the Kate Somerville Skin Health Experts. This is KX Active Concentrates. It's bio-mimicking peptides, and it's a serum. This serum is supposed to smooth and firm my skin. So I am pretty excited to use this. Looks really cute in the inside when you open it up. And so we're gonna pull it out. So that's what the packaging looks like. This is really cold right now because I literally just got it today. I do want to, now I am going to use this, so I am going to open this up. It smells like some type of weird stuff. So the quality is like yellowish, as you guys can see. And it smells like a, I don't know, maybe I have to wait till the product is a little warmed up. Right now it's like really cold to the touch right now from, you know, shipping all the way to me in this cold weather. So that is this first product. This is the next product right here. This is from the brand Amika. It's Supernova Moisture and Cream Shine. What, girl? How did I just skip that? I just can't read. I need to start reading. I have Audible, but it doesn't help me if I don't read like physically. Anyways, okay. So this is from the brand Amika. It's the Supernova Moisture and Shine Cream. So we will try this out. I probably would try this like with the Stream Wetline Gel. I'll probably try this with this. But yeah, so I'm excited to try this out right here. Let's see. So this is what that consistency looks like. And I'm going to smear it in. It feels really creamy. That's pretty interesting. It smells really good. Ooh, it smells really good. Oh my gosh, it smells really good. So I'm gonna put this in my hair because, yeah, you know we're not gonna waste any product. The next product I did receive in my box is this complete sponge set. And this is from the brand Luxie. I love Luxie makeup brushes, so hey, you can never have too many sponges, like for real, because them things kind of get old and, you know. So yeah, there's a detail blender, precision blender, and a powder blender in this box. And it says you can bake, contour, and detail pretty much for these 3 things. So bake, contour, and detail, which is great. This is great for like getting into little areas, for like tiny little detail areas. So glad I did get this. I preferred those 3, I'll pop a picture, but I preferred those 3 makeup brushes, those gold 3 makeup brushes from Alamar. Yeah, that's what I really preferred, but I can't go wrong with this. Wow, this is small. Okay, so here's the next product right here. And this is from the brand Pure. I've actually used their mascara before and something else, and it was pretty good. So we'll see how this works. So this is a 4-in-1 correcting primer. It energize and rescue with aloe, coconut water, and probiotics, and it's silicone free. So we will see how this works. Yeah, so we'll see how this primer works. This is really gorgeous packaging though. But yeah, so this right here, and I do want to look at that texture. Hasn't been opening. I just hope this doesn't like break me out or something. So that's that texture right there. And I'm gonna smear it in, see what it looks like. Well, one thing I can say is it feels really amazing on my skin. So there's a different, this is the one I applied it to. I think I'm gonna love this. And it smells really good. It has a really good smell as well. I guess that's the coconut water I smell. So yeah, it smells really good. So yeah, this right here, the last product I received in my February box. They are makeup brushes, like, this is the 5-piece deluxe eye kit. It comes with a shade brush, a crease brush, a detail brush, a smudge brush, and a line brush. So you can never have too many makeup brushes. I can never say that enough either. You can never have too many makeup brushes. So pretty excited I got this. I preferred the other 3, but I can't complain that I have sponges and brushes. So yeah, I'm pretty thankful for that. Okay guys, so that was everything that I received in my February Boxycharm box for the month. And let me know down below in the comment section if we happen to just be Boxycharm twins this month. Again, I will put my variation number down here. So let me know if we have the same box, and let me know if we received any of the same items, and what you think about my box for the month. I personally think it's a good box. I can't complain. I definitely got my money's worth for $25. I definitely got my money's worth with everything that I received, every single thing. I will have the retail value right here on the screen for you guys to know how much the total value of the box is. As always, if you found this video helpful in some way, or just simply enjoyed seeing what I received for the month of February, then give me a big thumbs up before you go. And if this is your first time watching one of my videos, then please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that notification bell so you do not miss a future upload from me. And you all have a wonderful day or night. Bye.